think you know many words in comes your mind, but when it comes to speak with other person, so that time you can't speak English, you can't use them. If you have problem something like this, so this video just for you, so please watch my fully video till the end. Okay friends, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here, you are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you, actually all the learner have a question. I have lots of words in our mind, but when it comes to speak with other person, so that times we can't speak English, we can't use them. So please let me know how to solve this problem. This video just for you if you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to build your vocabulary and your English sentence. Okay, this video just for you. Okay, but before starting the video I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that when we start speaking English, so that times we can't speak English. All the times all the person have many words in their mind, but when it comes to speak with other people, so that time they can't speak English, they can't use them. So today in my video I am going to tell you how to solve this problem. Actually all the learner have a problem. Actually I have a example. Okay, actually that example related to speaking English, and that example is very good for you if you want to improve your communication skill. And that is, I think there are lots of ingredient in your kitchen. Okay, so that times you don't know how to make, how to cook, but there are so many ingredient in your kitchen, in your fridge, but you don't know how to cook, how to make. All the time you ask to other person how to make, how to cook, what do you want. So I think exactly the same thing, I have this problem related to speaking English, and that is very big problem. All the times I have lots of words in our mind when it comes to speak with other person, so that times we can't speak English. Actually in the beginning all the learner have a problem. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything, how to build our vocabulary, how to explore our vocabulary. Okay, so actually when you open the fridge and you can see any ingredient in your fridge, but you don't know how to make, how to cook. You asked every person how to cook, how to make, I don't know, but have lots of stuff for making the cook. Okay, but you don't know. Exactly the same thing, I have lots of vocabulary in our mind, but when it comes to speak with other person, so that times I get confused, we get confused how to speak English with other person. Actually I know very well this word, but this times I can't speak English. So how to speak, please let me know. Actually all the learner have a problem, and you can use this way. First of all I have two tips, only two tips. Okay, first one speaking and second one listening. Speaking is a active vocabulary, active sentence, and listening is a passive vocabulary and passive sentence. When you start speaking English, so that times you don't focus other things. Actually you focus on other things, not speaking, not listening. Actually this is a very big problem to every learner. First of all I would like to tell you, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should focus on your speaking and listening. This part, this tips is very important for improving English. When you are free at your home, so that time you can create any fake story, and you can fake any English story. So that time you can use different words in your story. Okay, so definitely your vocabulary will be increased, your vocabulary will be build, explored. Okay, and you can speak, actually this way is very good for improving English, and that is open your mouth and speak. Okay, lots of speak. Actually, this way is very fabulous for improving English. And active passive, so that's how your vocabulary, your English concept, your English sentence will be built when you start speaking English. So that time automatically any words, any sentence comes in your mind, and your communication will be easily. Okay, so please use this way and speak a lot when you are free at your home. So that time you can apply this way, and you can create any fake story, and then you can use any different words in your story. Okay, and next thing we have passive vocabulary and passive concept related to listening power. Okay, listening power is very good for improving English. When you are free, so that time you watch any English video and any English song, any English cartoon channel you can watch. That's how your listening power will be increased. And I have, all the people say something like this: you are good at speaking English, so definitely you will be improve your communication skill. So please, listening power is very important, and listening part is very good part of speaking English. And when you are free at your home, so that time you can read any book, and you can write down, and you can you can make any list, and then you can write down in your diary, and you can apply in your daily use conversation, in your daily life. And when you start speaking English with other person, so that time you can apply that word. Okay, so definitely your communication skill will be increased, and your vocabulary, your English concept will be built and explore. Okay, and another thing, actually, you use any words when you watch any words in English, so that time you can search and you can apply in your English language. Okay, so that's how your communications and your vocabulary will be built. Okay, this way is very super for improving English. So I think this way is very good for improving English. As one first one, speaking and listening. Please open your mouth and speak. Actually, all the times all the people think something like this: I am not good at speaking because my pronunciation, my vocabulary is not good. How to speak, how to start speaking English with other person, because I am not perfect in English. This is your excuse who are making continuously. Please stop it and focus on your approach. If you want to improve your communication skill, you need lots of practice. You need to lots of practice. You need to speak up with other person, so definitely you will be improved, I believe, because I am using this way. So that's why I am telling to you. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.